the God of Dr. Michael Opoku Prempeh is at work. Now, I'll play the video. Sheikh
Abuja from Mamu Nyina Makwaba at the Bagana and Sem TV so. But I'm this be like video, no be subscribe to the channel, no turn on notifications. Say next time. Videos of this nature about also sabit my cabin. So watch your comment section. Maybe whom you from Mr. President and Major also TikTok or comment section or by be whom you from Mr. President and Major also. For you need dream say that should be the new patriotic party about power. Na ya bana Ghana for you na what to I'm more ready. The need to Sudan say man we need that to be na the be a mekasem be say amanya som ne ye no. So what money under hwa. Ho be chelo pa. The moment I be hold the public office and say who say you own it a responsibility. I mean a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think say I do retirement nkofo bebree if you say a public office no more hold it. As a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushami chankra, mommy enko. Yenko video bimra. Na video no yeko heba we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary guy, not the perspective of Mr. President here. Mommy enko message here.
Yeah, a quick one. Now, when you check up here, this Sheikh Camille. I'll play this video, then you watch what happened to Sheikh Camille today. Then you realize that the God of Dr. Michael Opoku Prempeh is at work. Now, I'll play the video. Sheikh Camille today, the Muslim leadership, the Imam, in fact, they have sacked Sheikh Camille from leading the Eid prayers today. I'll play the video, then you watch. And the reason is simple. They say whenever they give Sheikh a platform to preach or to pray, Sheikh normally use the platform to do politics. Normally use the platform to push his NDC foot soldier agenda. So today, in fact, they said they won't allow him. All that he has written to come and say, they said they won't allow Sheikh. And Sheikh started shaking. Now, if you could remember, this same Sheikh that accused Dr. Michael Opoku Prempeh, he was given a platform to pray and preach. And he ended up using the platform to accuse Dr. Michael Opoku Prempeh that he's a gay. And today, as we are speaking, Dr. Michael Opoku Prempeh, he has sued him. And people are going around begging on behalf of this Sheikh. The same Sheikh that lied last year, if you could remember, that if you're having 200 Ghana cedis under President John Dramani Mahama, you can buy fowl, you can buy oil, you can buy tin tomatoes and celebrate your Salah. So they said enough is enough. We are currently pleading on your behalf. We won't give you the platform to come and sit and commit further crimes for them to go around and be begging again. So they told Sheikh that step aside. The old man that you are going to see in the video, he was the one who said no, he's the leader. He said no, we won't allow Sheikh to lead prayers. Someone else should come and lead. Meanwhile, Sheikh too has also written something to come and say. So Sheikh said he won't agree, he must lead at all costs. Now pay attention and watch the video and learn. So the old man, the Imam there, the Imam said he won't allow him to lead. That is embarrassing the Muslim community. His actions are total embarrassment. So for that matter, they won't allow him to lead. This should serve as a lesson that whenever you are given a responsibility, no matter how foot soldier you are, don't send your foot soldier work to where you have been given a responsibility. The God of Dr. Michael Opoku Prempeh, Dr. Bawumia, and the NPP is alive. Today, Sheikh is embarrassed. Sheikh prepared to come and pray. They say we won't allow you to pray because whenever you are given the platform, you normally use it and do politics.
Oman we just say yenim oman issue ayewo koye hwe ne ma papa na dan kwaku for Dr. Laji Mahmood Bawumia yede ma oman we a any 2024 elections eko no ma Dr. Bawumia e den e de kire Ghana fa se me ba we na meyama mo na abusua na ke yensem pata de yensa kan serious so can in fact oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi presidency oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi say leaders a ke bi aka the new patriotic party the leaders of the party ke bi aka borrow omodom kwa another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, yetimi enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impo yenwie because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals in the person is yenwie because of time. But those ones yetimi wie component, go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look say we have some of the hospitals in fact, yeah, equipping hospitals not all right too. But because of political tantrums and political gains, me look say yeah, hospitals and they go sana no me wumi say. It is a Kenyan you say na no me nyina be ya. It is a scan kwa kaya de wasa botumi we say oh, I mean say we say NPP for ya akonfo. Name ma akonfo ti ma sacrifice discard to what their hospitals na mo so mo ya akonfo. Akonfo ti ma facilitate me say on be fund free seniors mo so mo ya akonfo. You say enye Ghana for dey bi. Na fe na tables na 10 afi dem mo keke mo kakaka. Why are they shouting? Obi ankara no ntum ne nko no ho. Asofo no mo nko ma no ntum we asofo no with the greatest of respect, omo nko ma no ntum ne nko nyina ho. Chief Imam for nko ma no ntum ne nko nyina ho. Politicians nko ma no ntum ne nko nyina ho. Marketing men omo nko ma no ntum ne nko nyina ho. Obi ankara no ntum ne nko nyina ho. 2020 do they will know the way forward. Yeti kroma obi so ono oba ono the credit scoring system beba mo so open ko nkete. Nanze bibini na nkasa de sebi ye bibia ye nkete ya adwen nkete ye bibia ye bia invest square ye nkete. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk. Ade asem kra ni. Obi ma credit scoring system also open ko nkete. Obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems, mo so open ko nkete. Ise nya mo den. You people chose policy. You people chose music over policy. Then yet any nyina ho papa na fe na mbusu a kire me. Me na wo ne wo sia kire me sabi me na me ko ka kire d0ne ma say o mema was come to butu one. Ye wa ha. Digitalization ye start say ye mo se da bi. Digitalization en to kinki. Nti mo pe kinki sika. Nti amamu papa na ba o mo ma mo kinki amamu a ade na mo kam. Ye wo krom ha ya. E de d0ne ma ko gina fa say enkanfo mu gafo ka chom say oh gafo de oh na mo de onye kinki na mo hia digitalization bia e na gafo say okay ne beto ba na ma bum mo to ba ma kinki government a etimi ambusu a me na dai ukukuma say okonu a ye ma ami kuma say dwomfo say NPP anya hwe ama wo mo nti omo nkoto aba omo so ebeko tro de omo beto ma yan disipa de no mo nto aba ne kra omo anto aba ene ebiti na ABC nti ne free senior high school aye basa ade tina me na mo so kire me sakamoto ya ka things would have been better. Iti ene no zi na obi esu obi people obi ankoto face ta people na nimu so because season when they emu gamu boot for boot usu a ye bi su a che o sere be sere che we are not going to console anybody obi antram say ye pe na yenya ye ho fina planes tete hwe amokekam abusu ya me de besi ya na da hofre be sensia abusu se mayi abusu na da no se mu de bia ye ka ho asem oman we che se yenim oman ni issue ayewo ko ye hwe ne ma papa na adan kwaku fo Dr. Laji Mahmood Bawumia ye de ma oman we a any 2024 elections eko no ma Dr. Bawumia e d0ne de kire Ghana fa se me ba we na meyama mo na abusu na ke yensem pata de yensa kan serious so can in fact oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi presidency oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi say leaders ke bi aka the new patriotic party the leaders of the party ke bi aka borrow omodom kwa another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, yetimi enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impo yenwie because the agenda na person here number of hospitals and person is yentima because of time. But those ones yetimi go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look at say we have some of the hospitals in fact, equipping hospitals are all right, but because of political tantrums and political gains, me look at say here hospitals and the go sana no me say. It is a Kenyan who say na no me nyina be ya. It is a scan kan dey was say botumi we say oh, I mean say we say people for ya konfo. Name ma comfort ma sacrifice discard to what the hospitals na mo so mo ya konfo. A comfort ma facilitate me say on be fund free seniors mo so mo ya konfo. You say enye Ghana for dey bi. Na fe na tables na ten afi dem okeke mu kakaka. Why are they shouting? Obi ankara no ntum ne nko no ho. Asofo no mo nko ma ntum we asofo no with the greatest of respect, omo nko ma ntum ne nko nyina ye ho. Chief Imam for nko ma ntum ne nko nyina ye ho. Politicians nko ma ntum ne nko nyina ye ho. Market women omo nko ma ntum ne nko nyina ho. Obi ankara no ntum ne nko nyina ye ho. 2020 do then you know the way forward. Yeti kroma obi so ono ba ono the credit scoring system be ba mo so open konketenkete. Nanze bibini na nkasa de se bi ye bibia yen ketenkete ya adwen ketenkete ye bibia ye bia invest square ye yen ketenkete. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk. Adi asem kra ni. Obi ma credit scoring system also open konketenkete. Obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems, most open konketenkete. Is enya mo den. You people chose policy, you people chose music over policy. Then yet any nyina ho papa na fe na mbusu akire me. Me na wo ne wo si akire me say bi me na me ko ka kire radio d0ne ma say o mema was come to boot one. Ye wa ha. Digitalization ye start say ye mo say daddy. Digitalization en to kinki, nti mo pe kinki sika. Nti amamu papa na ba o mo ma mo kinki amamu ade na mo kam. Ye wo krom ha ya. E dey radio d0ne ma ko gina e say enkranfo mu gafo ka chom say oh gafo dey oh na mo dey onye kinki na mo hia digitalization bia e na gafo say okay ne beto ba na ma boom mo to ba ma kinki government etimi ambuso acha me na dey ukukuma say okonu ye ma me kuma say dwomfo say NPP anya hwe ama wo mo nti o mo nkoto aba o mo so ebeko tro de o beto o ma NDC pa de no mo nto aba ne kra o ma nto aba ene ebitina ABC nti na free senior high school aye basa ade tina me na mo so kire me saka mo to ya ka things would have been better. Nti ene no zi na obi esu obi apepe obi ankoto face ta obi pe na ni musu because season when they mu gamu boot for boot usu a ye bisu a che o sere be sere a we are not going to console anybody obi antram say ye pe na yenya ye ho fina plain se tete hwe amokekam abusu am de besi ya na da hofre be sensia abusu se mai
institution who need intel
ayeka bro
problem ni nyina ne say
economy no nko na eboa
problem ni nyina ne say papa or council of state member or company to good before grab good board beba no to me create good board alliances no to me to good to me to good etimi good kwa manone anoni adwuma ko bia kwa pam say me supply o good between June 2025 to June 2026 within 4-5 months.